Hey, welcome back. I'm planning on creating a series on TIPCO BusinessWorks Container Edition using latest version 2.8 released in November 2022 as I speak. Container Edition is a version of TIPCO's flagship product ActiveMatrix BusinessWorks, which is an on-premise offering and has been there for a while now. Container Edition allows customers to build cloud-native applications and deploy them to container-based platforms such as Cloud Foundry, Kubernetes, Open Shift, or similar Docker-supported platforms. If something is not making sense at this point, do not worry because we are going to uncover this product as we go through this series. It supports Mac OS, Windows, and Linux as well. The minimum disk space required is 2 GB and 4 GB of RAM for design time. The documentation can be found on docs.tipco.com. However, do not bother to go through it as we will uncover through this series. Stay tuned.